you, my friends, who want to support their emotional health naturally, and who doesn't, you need to learn the magic of turning natural ingredients into your own essential roll-ons. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth. I love teaching you how to use your essential oils to make everyday products that you already use in your home. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own roll-on. It is going to be energizing and uplifting. You're going to love it. It's also on-the-go mood support. Who doesn't need that? Turn off your distractions. Making is healing. Let's get started making this Simply Earth Summer Sunset Roll-On. Before I tell you what you need, I just want to assure you that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to create things with your own essential oils. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's DIY diffuser box. When you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, you will get the ingredients you need to make natural recipes, and you will master a new theme every single month. How exciting! We're even throwing a big bonus box when you first subscribe. Woohoo! You can find all the ingredients you need for this recipe at simplyearth.com. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need: blood orange, timber, and peppermint. You'll also need this roll-on bottle and fractionated coconut oil. Watch me show you how to make this uplifting and energizing blend. You'll need 3 drops of blood orange, 2 drops of timber. If you're not familiar with this oil, it smells like vanilla. 1 drop of peppermint oil, swirl, and now you just want to fill the rest of the bottle with fractionated coconut oil. Don't forget to label it. Apply to pulse points, such as your wrist. Oh, it smells awesome. Or like if you need a pick-me-up like me, you could apply it to the back of your neck or to your forehead. Enjoy, be energized, and let's keep making. I would love to see your creations on social media. So when you make this, take a photo of it and tag from Simply Earth and tag #IMadeThis so I can see it, and you will automatically be entered into our I Made This challenge. You could win a $5 gift card. How easy! And I hope you win.